Hi, welcome to Clubmaths channel and thank you for joining our YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and that way you will not miss any important notification or important topics that we come up on time. Definitely it helps. And thank you for subscribing to our clubmaths.com website. It's a free subscription. Be a member, so that you get notification right into your inbox that what exactly we have posted or what queries we have solved. Okay, so today's topic is order of operations, and it is really very important in mathematics because it is required to save the equation, to how to solve the equations, mathematical equations, and to understand it further, you have to understand how you have to clear it out quickly on in your examination. So there's one trick that I can tell you right away is about 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 the order of operations. Let me write down quickly: P E M D A S. So this is your key that you have to remember. This is the PEMDAS. You can say PEMDAS. That is the thing that you can remember. And that's your key, which will help you understand. And once you remember this, you will know that what you have to do. You need not to worry about your solving equations or figuring out that what order that you have to perform. So okay, to not to go further, I have to just explain it. Is starting with P. P stands for parenthesis, which is this. E stands for exponent. And if you don't exponent, it is something like you will see down the line as the square root power or so, like x squared or a cube. This thing is exponent. So m is multiplication, simple. D stands for division. Addition and subtraction. Add, subtract. So, as I said, right, PEMDAS, this is an important thing. Let's take a quick example. 2 cross 4 plus 3 divided by 3 plus 4 minus 2. So how are we going to solve this? Like as I said, that we have to first look for parentheses. There's no parentheses here, so what we look for next is exponent. There's no exponent here. So our next is multiplication or division, whatever comes further, right? It can be at the same level. If there's no multiplication, division can take place. If there's no division, multiplication can take place. So I'm gonna simply, first look at this section, which is our multiplication, and this section, which is our division. So it is like 2 into 4, 8. Let's keep this plus here. 3 by 3 is what? 3 divided by 3 is 1, 0, tenths. What do you think? 0. Then plus 4 minus 2. Okay, so now our next is plus and then minus. So I'm going to concentrate on this, and then we'll keep this like this. 8 plus 0 is 8. Let's, keep the step building ahead. Then 8 plus 4 is 12. Then we get this, and 12 minus 2 is 10. You could do in this way itself, like 8 plus 4 minus 2 is 2, and then you can get 10 too. So it's not a major difference here, but this is one of the way that you can do it. Let's take an example of 4 into 2 plus 3 cross 3 plus 4 by 2. Yeah, let's now do this. This is our equation 2 by 4 into 2. So what we have to do is set, right, PEMDAS. So our first thing that we have to look as parentheses. If we look here, P is our parenthesis, which comes first. So we have to first look into this. So there's nothing that we have to solve, but what you have to do is whatever is there in that we have to solve first. So I'll keep this here. We can, solve it. So 4 into 2 is 8. So I'll keep it as 8. You have to solve this first. Plus 3 by 3 plus 4 by 2. What we're doing is we are not touching anything, which means I'm giving you step-by-step explanation. So now next thing is 2 by 8. What does parenthesis mean? It's just simply means that it's a multiplication. So 2 by 8, then whole thing plus 3 by 3, 4 by 2. So instead of 2 by 8, I'm going to write here quickly 16, which is equivalent to this. Then I'm going to write 3 by 3 plus 4 by 2. We can break this step sooner as we want, but just to make it clear. So now next is our multiplication division. Anything can go first, so we can say like 16 plus 3 into 3 9 plus 4 by 2 is 2. Now last is addition, so 16 plus 9 plus 11. You can figure it out. 16 plus 9 is 25, 27 is our answer. So after solving this order of operations, we figured out that our answer is 27. I hope you had liked the video, and as I said, right, this is your key to understand the order of operations, PEM, DAS. You can just remember PEMDAS or whatever way you want to remember it as. But yes, parenthesis goes first, then exponent, then multiplication. So what I mean is, like, if something is like 4 square, then this goes first, then plus 2. In this kind of example, what will happen is 2 into 16 plus 2, which is then next is 2 into 16 is 32 plus 2, which is 34. So we solve here the exponential example too. I hope you had like this video. Please keep subscribing and keep connecting with us. We will be back shortly with some good video and good important topics about mathematics. Thank you for joining. Have a good day. Bye.